Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. It is day 17 of my 28-day challenge. Now this mini-series was set by myself to help me unlock creativity. Sometimes there is no rhyme or reason as to what I'm creating. I just go with a feeling or a colour or work with paint and see what's coming up on the canvas. Now just so you know what I've done already with this canvas, it is just the Prussian blue with a little bit of white. I've applied a couple of layers to get that texture, and then where you see the circles, I've just gone in with a little bit of white to help me understand where I'm going to place some buttons, bubbles, water, whatever you think. I just wanted to create something dimensional that looked like it was coming out of the canvas. No particular reason why, just something I wanted to do, and that's the part of this challenge that I'm finding is really helping me. It's not creating art that everybody else wants to see, whether it be resin, whether it be purposeful art. It's purely to relax my brain, to unlock my creativity, for me to explore things. And that's why I'm going to start art journaling after this, because I have found by doing some of these mini projects, whether it be colour schemes, whether it be brush strokes, whether it be effects that I'm creating, it's all to help me take it into my art and bond with my art and enjoy doing my art. So if you haven't seen any of my art that I've done in this challenge, have a little look in the description. There should be links to all of them. I didn't talk through them because it's a big undertaking doing 28 days of non-stop art while you have a full-time job and creating it, editing it and keeping up with the deadlines. And I'm only a couple of hours in front. It is 5 p.m. on the 17th of February, Thursday, and I normally post these at 7:30. Now, they don't have to be posted at a set time. It's just really to get me into the routine. Anyway, what have I done so far in the project, Sharon? I've created texture on my canvas. I applied this coat just before I started to draw the circles where the bubbles are going to be. It was a canvas that I'd used for a time before and I didn't like it. And I think that's the great thing about recycling some canvases, because you can get these great texture. All I knew is I wanted to try and create some 3D or depth effect in these buttons, water droplets, I don't know what you want to call them. They remind me of buttons that go on leather chairs where they're pushed in. I hope I'm articulating that correctly. I've applied Prussian blue. I went in with my white. I've then come and put circles on with my device, which is great because you can make them big, small. Gone around it with a black pen to draw where the circle's going to be. I've then gone around one side where I'm creating the dark spot, which has got a little bit more of the blue and a little bit of black in it, and then it's graduated to the middle. And then that's the same that I've done with the white. Now I'm exploring how much do you put on this for it to start to pop out. And at this stage, I didn't know what I was going to be doing with the background. I quite liked the intensity of it, but then as I created these bubbles and I started to put the lighter shades around it, that's when it started to show me more of the texture, and it started to show me how these buttons were starting to pop forward. It really then started to show that texture, and I really like the texture. It reminds me that you're very close up to denim or something like that. Anyway, this is what I mean about what's exciting about just doing this challenge for yourself, because I've now discovered how to create a certain texture, to get a certain colour, to look at these potential 3D buttons. And yeah, I've now got I've written a journal as to what I want to do with this and where I want to evolve this for future big art projects. And I really think I'm going to go back and explore this in some more colourful ones and different types. I think I was inspired by, when I say think, I was inspired by, is it Mia, M-I-I? Mia? I'll put a link in the description anyway. Because she does bubbles, she calls them bubbles, where to me they're more like water droplets than bubbles. And had a little look at her channel, and she's somebody that's inspired me. There's quite a few people that are inspiring me at the minute through art journaling, but maybe they will get a mention because they've influenced me. And I think that's what's great about the art community and YouTube, is so many people inspire so many other people and ignite something within them that makes them want to go and create. Anyway, within this project, I'm not going to show you real time other than these 2 bubbles, because I think you get the drift of it and time's precious, so to try and make some of these videos shorter. And then you'll see me finish them and come in and lighten that colour. And I was going to try and, I didn't know whether I wanted to show this one with you, and I thought, hang on, part of this challenge isn't about me creating masterful arts every time, and everybody likes art for different reasons and it's all subjective, but this is part of my challenge and my project, and this is where I spent a bit of time doing yesterday, so I hope you don't mind me sharing it with you. So if you do enjoy my art, remember, a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, come back and see the whole mini series. I do all types of art. The reason I'm exploring more than just my resin is I'm just changing it as an artist, and I'm thinking a lot about the environment, and I absolutely love resin, and resin will still be a part of what I'm doing. But everybody is really getting behind resin at the moment, and they are creating amazing work out there, and some inspirational stuff. But I'm just mindful of, I only want to make purposeful art with resin. I'm not going to be doing coasters or anything like that. I'm just thinking about the environment with plastic wastage. And I've never really been able to perfect my coasters or anything like that, so you don't get circle marks on them. And I feel a responsibility as a creator to have something that's going to last a period of time and be sustainable. Anyway, I didn't mean to get on my high horse with that. What I am saying is, I'm evolving as an artist, and I hope that you don't mind me sharing different types of art that I'm enjoying exploring, my different brushworks. Hopefully, whether it be colour, whether it be me just sharing my journey with you, you'll still be a supporter of my art and not just the resin art. But don't worry, resin art will still feature in my channel. If there is any particular art, whether it be colours or a particular subject you'd like to see me attempt to do on my challenge or in my channel, let me know. People that will know, they've sent requests in, and even though it might take a while, I do honour it and try and fit that in there. But anyway, I'm going to put a bit of music on. This was requested by one of my absolutely amazing supporters who's been watching these videos, and she's missed a little bit of voiceover, so this is especially for you, just to let you know that they will be back, my voiceovers. I might not be able to do them all for this challenge just because of how challenging time's been, but if there has been any of the pieces that I've created that you would like to see me do a tutorial on or talk out loud on, just let me know and I'll be happy to do that. I'll have a little bit more time then. Anyway, enjoy the little bit of relaxation music, and I will speak to you all and see you all later. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this video at 7:30 when it goes live. And if you have listened to me speak all the way through and you've enjoyed it, just say, yeah, baby. Bye bye.